This video and the video entitled Working with the Features give you a quick way to evaluate OneClickSchedule to see if it might be helpful in addressing your scheduling needs. It should be noted that the creation of this application grew out of efforts to manage real-life staffing challenges in an assisted living facility for Alzheimer's and dementia residents in the 1990s. So take a few minutes to watch and see if OneClickSchedule might be just what you're looking for. Here's a look at what you see when the application opens. The view shows the current month's schedule, but really you are seeing one frame of a timeline of past and future schedules. By pressing the previous button, the view skips to the prior month's schedule. If we press the next button, we are back to the current month. Press next one more time and our view changes to next month. Let's get started setting up a new schedule. Everything is blank now, and we can enter employee names and shift abbreviations to begin. We enter names down the left column. In our case, we are setting up for a healthcare facility that staffs 365 days a year, round the clock, and this schedule is for nursing assistants. Employees can be entered in any order, so in our example, we are going to start with day shift employees, then evenings and nights. Next, click on the Settings tool. The first option on the drop-down list is Shift List. 3 common healthcare-related shifts come installed with the application, showing how the inputs are to be filled out. Any type of shift can be added, and we will show you how to do that in another video. The shift abbreviations are the descriptions that are entered on your schedule in the cells by your employees' names. The remaining columns describe beginning and ending times and hours covered by the shift. If you want to print off a copy for reference, click the PDF button where print and download options are available. Beginning with Maria, we know that she has a set schedule Sunday through Thursday on day shift. So on Sunday we enter 7 in that box. There are several ways to quickly fill in the abbreviations. One is to simply grab the bottom right corner of the box, drag it to Thursday, and release the mouse. With the group of 7s highlighted, we can also select the first in the set of clipboard icons at the top of the grid, which is the copy function. Now select the next Sunday and click the second clipboard icon, which is the paste function. Next, we know that Maria needs the 19th and the 20th off, so we can go to each of those days, select and delete them. It is also possible to delete a group of cells by highlighting them, then going to the clipboard icon with the X through it. This is the delete function. The 2 remaining icons at the top of the page are undo and redo previous actions. We have quickly finished setting up this schedule to give you an idea how the process works. There are many methods and features for working with the information, which will be covered in other videos. One such helpful feature is the ability to move all the current patterns of employee schedules to the next month. To do this, you click the Next button and have the option of opening next month's schedule as an empty worksheet or moving all the current patterns for employee schedules to the next month. This option will be given if no schedule has been created for the next month, of course. Otherwise, the schedule will simply advance to show next month's schedule. And this feature can save much setup time for those employees with fixed routine schedules. There's also an option to save a snapshot of a model schedule that you may want to use every month to begin your scheduling process. This will be included in another video illustrating other options of the application. The next video, entitled Working with the Features, shows how to take the information that's been entered and analyze it. The power of the application is in what it's able to do with the scheduled information, such as monitoring overtime hours, comparing schedule shifts to your ideal staffing levels, or even showing you what your ideal staffing levels are if this is something that seems vague or confusing at times. The simplicity of the main interface, it's just a spreadsheet, is intentional in that you're actively interacting with the schedule. The features do the heavy lifting, crunching the data, and this really begins to save time and makes managing your schedule and your employees much easier to do.